Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M, and if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So good morning. I'm going to talk about what you need to put into your cleaning contract. So I speak a lot about the three pillars, what you need to do to attract, to acquire, and to retain. Now that you're at the acquiring part, you're going to need a contract so that you can make sure you bind the cleaning services. So the first thing you want to put in is just basic information about you and your customer. The second is going to be a supply list. The third is going to be a scope of work. The fourth is going to be payment details. The fifth is going to be the time frame of termination. And sixth is going to be, just in case there's a problem, what you're going to do to resolve it. Make sure you include all of this into your cleaning contract and make sure that you are ready to get started. That first night is always really important. That initial clean sets the tone. So make sure you join me for my next video, and I'm going to go into what you need to make sure that you have into your proposal for when you're proposing the services to your potential cleaning customer. And if you want to learn more, then make sure you join me for my free masterclass. It is 10 ways to get more cleaning customers within 30 days. This is the exact method that I use to scale all three of my cleaning businesses to six figures and beyond. Pow! So I look forward to seeing you there. Click the link to register. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.